I'm about to make a salad. These are the sounds that I think it makes. Will it be a hit or will it be a miss? Let's find out.
I just wanna feel the things that I don't. I just wanna feel the things that I don't. And I just need to feel the things that just makes me feel alive. I just need to know the things that I don't. 'Cause I just wanna feel the things that just makes me feel. The things that just makes me feel. I just need to know the things that I don't. The things that just makes me feel. The things that just makes me feel. I just wanna feel the things that I don't. And I just need to feel the things that just makes me feel alive. I just need to know.
Time to review. And I'm going to be 100% honest. Right off the bat, this is a 100% 10 out of 10. You could taste the spiciness of the broccoli microgreens on the back of your palate. Getting the sweetness from the red peppers. A surprise from the pistachios, surprise sweetness. Is a really good treat in that. And you know the feta cheese, it tastes good. The tzatziki is a good dressing for the greens, better than the conventional ranch Caesar. We need to try different things, people. And the chicken thighs, you can't ever go wrong with chicken thighs. And what else? The lettuce. The lettuce is just for body. This might be in my top 5 favorite salads. So this is my first time making a salad with these specific ingredients. I was not too sure about how it was going to turn out. It was just a good idea. But that good idea turned into a fire meal. The salad relates to life. We could go along with the norm and just have a good time. Or we could change things, break the mold, create, invent. All that type of good stuff. Anyway, so the salad was top notch. That's a given. Let me know in the comments how you feel about it. Let me know what else you want to see me make. The salad was a 10 out of 10. What about the beet though?